Today, we're going to learn how to draw a parrot. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. To begin, we're going to draw a circle for the parrot's head. Then, mark a long oval shape for the body that slightly overlaps our first circle. Now for the wings. We need to draw an overlapping oval shape that is slightly longer than the body. For the other wing, draw a curved line that connects to the body on the other side. On the head of the parrot, we need to mark out its beak. Draw a small hook shape and draw a connecting line back. Finish this off with a small oval shape for the parrot's eye. We need our parrot to perch onto something. Draw 2 rough straight lines along the bottom of the parrot, which will be our branch. Inside these lines, mark out 2 small oval shapes that will be for the parrot's feet. Coming off from our branch, draw a sausage-like shape for the parrot's tail. Now it's time to take your pen for our outlines and finer details. Let's begin with the parrot's feet by outlining its claws. For this, draw in 2 raindrop shapes for each foot. Next, outline our branch. Make sure that you don't draw over the feet. Moving on to the parrot's face, draw over our eye. Then, inside, fill in a small circle for extra detail and outline over the beak. Begin to mark over the parrot's head. At this point, draw a zigzag line for a feathery texture and carry on drawing around the rest of the body. Mark over both of the wings. Don't forget the tail. To add in some feathers, draw multiple elongated U shapes inside our tail. Now it's time for some further detail. Around our eye, mark a larger circle that stops as it reaches the beak. Draw a frill-like pattern along the wing. Repeat this until you hit halfway down the wing. To finish this off, mark straight lines downwards that go around the wing. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a parrot.